Hey my lovelies, thank you for tuning in to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, share, and turn on that notification bell so you can see all when I post my videos on my page or whatever. So I just wanted to come up here and tell you guys about my new wig I got. Okay, I can't remember the name of this hair, but I do show the box with the name on it in my video. So if you're looking for the name of the video, it's definitely going to be, name of the hair is definitely going to be in my video, so don't worry about that. But I just want to give you guys, just a little description of the hair and what it is. So I got this hair from AliExpress. No, they did not give it to me. No, it's not sponsored. I pay for this hair with my own money. Okay, so I brought this hair by myself. No one gave this to me for free. If you want to give me some hair for free, come on, please, because hair is expensive. I'm not even going to lie, but we ain't even going to talk about that. But yeah, so this is a 13x6 lace front wig. It's wavy hair, pre-pluck Brazilian Remy hair. It is 180 density and is 20 inches long. Okay, so it's pretty long. It's kind of like to my bra length a little bit, if you can see it right there. Probably like a little bit past it or whatever like that. But this hair is super soft. It is super thick. The hairdo tends to shed, but other than that, you're going to experience shedding when you buy a wig. Come on, ladies. Like, come on. It's a wig. So, whatever. But yeah, I'll have to say this hair is super soft. I have been wearing it for a couple days. I'm not going to lie. Probably like 2 days, and I curled it and put some stuff into it. But yeah, other than that, it's super soft. I actually really love it. And I would definitely be buying from this hair company again. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys the end results. I think this is like, I think it's like a 27 blonde and then 1B at the bottom. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I really do like this hair. This hair is super nice though. And it's thick like how I like it. And if you're from Texas, you know what I'm talking about. Go big or go home. Period. Okay? But yeah. So if you want to see how I install this wig, which is like a quick little video of how I like to do my hair, especially when I'm trying to be a little bit lazy and I don't feel like doing too much to my hair so far as like bleaching the knots and then dyeing the hair and then making the wig itself. Like if you want to see a quick and easy way to like install your wig that does not involve bleaching it, stay tuned to this video. Bye.